the grave. Stay to the grave. Stay to the grave. Far beyond the realm of perception.
Probably a Queenie. I'm just getting good footage of the sound. It's alright, I'm not hurting you.
But I need to steer it.
Oh, yeah.
How about we get our fucking lures and shit G'd up? Cause
Gulps or?
yeah.
One will never anticipate. One will never anticipate. Consequence will take to the grave. To the grave. Stay to the grave. Stay to the grave. To the grave. To the grave.
Yep. Queenie has to be there.
On already!
Okay.
Already! Yeah, bro! Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh, dude, that's a horse!
Bearing the one. The explosion bothers away. The explosion bothers away. Consequence will take to the grave. Take to our grave. One will never anticipate. One will never anticipate. Consequence will take to the grave. To the grave. Stay to the grave. Stay to the grave. To the grave. To the grave.
I'll jump in after him. Oh, he's giving him the curry. Oh, I'm gonna call this cunt Vindaloo. Yes! Look at that big cunt. Yes! Woo! Oh! Oh! Look at that big beautiful fish! Oh! Straight in the gob! Oh, you swallowed that right here. Oh! Yes!
First drop.
Drop!
I just seen him all on the sounder. Bop bop boom.
Oh!
Blood still pours down onto the page. Cry, voice, rhetoric portrayed, drowning in a flood of inequality.
T-Rez. Where'd Jace Marley go? I don't know. Disappeared. Your drag's pretty jolty, eh? I'd pull it out and re-grease it.
shakes, man. This is like catching a big tuna.
He's coming up.
It's very hooked under. So good.
What do you mean? I'm trying not to, mate.
Look at that big cunt. Yes. Oh. Can you hold that?
I got some beers in the fucking this good.
What?
What is?
My dad used to play rugby league, though.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, it's
Oh, it's a
golden! It's a
golden.
big golden!
It's alright, it's alright.
Oh my god! Dude!
It's okay.
It's a big golden!
Yeah, I heard you.
Dude,
It's a golden!
it's a golden!
Alright, so get it in. Alright, just take your time, take your time.
Dude, it's a big
don't,
golden!
Don't go hard on
Oh
him
my
now because you're
God.
fucking worried. They got... It's probably what you seen yesterday, man.
Probably. Oh my god! Oh my god. Dude, that's a monster of a golden. Oh, oh!
Oh, no, hang on.
Oh!
I haven't got him yet, mate.
Yes! Oh my god! Yeah!
Oh.
Dude, look at the... Yeah!
Oh.
Oh god, look at that for a golden, bro! Oh my god! Golden! Yeah! Oh, dude!
Chuck the rod.
Oh, oh, right. Yes! Oh, dude! Oh, sorry, hold on to that. Dude, look at my god. Oh, buddy. Oh, sure.
Righto. Is that GoPro running?
Yeah.
Hold him up. Alright, spear him in.
Spearing?
Yeah.